Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a birthday cake. It is my sister's birthday, so I decided to make her a cake today. I am using an 8-inch round. This is my vanilla cake recipe, and for the filling I am using a strawberry cream cheese filling. And I'm just repeating the process. And for the frosting, this is a cream cheese frosting that I am using. I'm putting on the last layer and making sure my cake is nice and even, and then I am going to frost my cake with my crumb coat. I'm just finishing off with the frosting in my piping bag, and then I am going to put a dollop on top and then just work my way down the sides. Now today with this cake, I decided to just make it a thin layer on my cake. So this is like a semi-naked cake that I am doing. I'm smoothing off my cake with my bench scraper. And then I am going to place this cake into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Get my ganache all ready, and then we can start pouring that on. And this is a light blue candy melt that I am using, and I did add a couple of white candy melts in there to get this color of ganache. And just pouring the rest of the ganache onto the top and just smoothing it out. And then I decided to do a swirl on top of the cake. And now we can start on decorating. I have some flowers, and I did use some floral tape along with a toothpick just to make it a lot easier for me to place it in the cake. And the leftover cream cheese frosting, I'm just piping it on with a 6B tip. And some leftover strawberry frosting as well. And I'm just decorating it with some macarons and also a couple of strawberries. And I'm also doing the bottom of my cake as well also. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is a strawberry cream cheese filling birthday cake that I did for my sister. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.